Hi everyone, welcome back to Neorah. Today we are gonna do a shopping haul about the gardening products that I bought from IKEA. So the first product is a watering can. This product is for rupees 499 and we can fill almost 2.6 liters of water so that you don't have to run to the tap every time. This watering can is more suitable for watering outdoor plants. This is another type of water can that I bought from IKEA for rupees 799. We can fill nearly 1 liter of water. So I used this water can for watering succulents and indoor plants. This water can is looking really beautiful. So I will keep this water can in the showcase as a showpiece after the use. Next we are gonna review pots and planters. So this is not sold as planter in IKEA. It is sold as waste bin. This is selling for rupees 95 and it has 10 liter capacity and available in 3 colors, red, white and black. This is my personal favorite because it has 10 liter capacity and we can plant pretty large plants in it. I use black and red for outdoor plants, white for indoor plants. This is another type of planter that I bought from IKEA for rupees 129. This is 9 centimeter planter. This is suitable for planting succulents and small type of plants. This is ceramic planter. This is available in different color like pink, blue, red, white. This is galvanized steel material planter. The big one is 12 centimeter for rupees 129 and the small one is 9 centimeter for rupees 59. As you can see in the video, the lower part of this planter is deteriorating really fast, so the quality of this product is not pretty good. It is also galvanized steel material planter. It has polyester powder coating, so its look is completely different. This is 9 centimeter planter for rupees 99 and its 12 centimeter planter is also available in IKEA, which is for rupees 149. As you can see in the video, this is the 12 centimeter planter. In the same pattern, a candle dish is also available for rupees 299. I am using it as a tray for my planters. I will keep 3 of these planters together and I will keep it in my living room. This is a plastic planter for rupees 129, 12 centimeter planter. This we can use for planting indoor plants. This is also galvanized steel material planter for rupees 149, 9 centimeter planter, but its quality is pretty good. Next one is gardening tool set of 3 pieces, which is for rupees 299. It is made of durable plastic and its quality is pretty good. I am using this trowel for moving or loosening the soil, or if I want to transfer my one plant to another planter, because it's very difficult to do the same thing with hands. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. I will come with a very good content soon. Till then, see you. Bye bye.